Yes, be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order dated 23/1/2020 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Bombay in writ petition number 8401 of 2003, by which the High Court has dismissed the said writ petition preferred by the appellant Maharashtra State Road Transport Corporation (start herein after referred to as MSRTC in which it challenged the order passed by the Industrial Court in revision application ULP number 13 of 2002 directing reinstatement of respondent without back wages but with the continuity of service. Original writ petitioner MSRTC has preferred the present appeal. Stop stanza. The respondent herein was serving as a driver and plying passenger buses. Stop. That on 23/10/1992, when he was driving the bus, it met with an accident with a jeep coming from the opposite direction. Stop. It appears that instead of taking the bus to the left side, he took the bus to the extreme right, which was the wrong side, and as a result, the jeep and the bus collided. Stop. The accident resulted in death of 4 passengers on the spot and 6 passengers were seriously injured. Stop. The jeep was completely damaged with its radiator and engine board broken and damaged, and the inside of the jeep was completely crushed. Stop stanza. The impact of the collision was so high that the jeep was pushed back by about 25 feet. Stop. The bumper of the bus was also crushed. Stop. The driver of the jeep also sustained injuries. Stop. The respondent was subjected to disciplinary inquiry. Stop. On conclusion of inquiry, he was dismissed from service. Stop. He was also prosecuted for the offence under section 279 of IPC. Stop. However, he come to be acquitted. Start. His acquittal shall be dealt with herein below. Stop. The respondent challenged the order of dismissal before the Labour Court. Stop. The Labour Court upheld the order of dismissal. Stop. In a revision application, the Industrial Tribunal, considering the acquittal of the respondent in criminal proceedings and observing that the drivers of both the vehicles were negligent (start contributory negligence), the Industrial Tribunal exercised powers under item number 1 (G) of Schedule 4 of the Maharashtra Recognition of Trade Unions and Prevention of Unfair Labour Practices Act 1971 (start MRTU) and PULP Act 1971 for short and held that the order of dismissal is disproportionate to the misconduct proved. Stop. Before the Industrial Tribunal, the respondent workman did not press for the back wages. Stop. The Industrial Tribunal directed his reinstatement without back wages but with continuity of service. Stop. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the order dated 31/7/2003 passed by the Industrial Tribunal ordering reinstatement without back wages but with continuity of service, the appellant preferred writ petition before the High Court. Stop. By the impugned judgment and order, the High Court has not only dismissed the writ petition preferred by the appellant but has also directed appellant to pay to the respondent back wages with effect from 1/11/2003 to 31 5, 2018, that is, which is the date of his superannuation stop. The High Court has also directed that the respondent shall also be entitled to retirement benefits on the basis of continuity of service with effect from date of his dismissal and till his superannuation stop stanza.